Friday, Coral Gables became the third city in the United States to host a unique art project. The Umbrella Sky project made its South Florida debut at the Giralda Plaza.
Umbrella Sky Coral Gables is a public art installation, an installation of 720 colorful umbrellas over Giralda Plaza for the next 60 days. And it was the vision of a company, a creative design company in Portugal named Sextifera.
Members of the Coral Gables Community Foundation said the city was once known as a center for arts, a reputation the organization is trying to revive.
We're trying to bring back the art renaissance into Coral Gables. Mary Snow, the executive director of the Coral Gables Community Foundation, saw this idea and really wanted to bring it to Coral Gables, and the government, the people were very receptive of it, and we just wanted to bring, this creative, colorful exhibit here.
I'm very proud of what we've done. I'm very proud of the project. It's a very whimsical show. It's wonderful. I think it's very wonderful.
And through this summer project, DeGan hopes to help shift Coral Gables' cultural identity.
It's just a creative way of bringing colorful shade into an unconventional area. Coral Gables is very big on diversity, on culture, on enhancing just the city and the cultural landscape in different ways.
The Umbrella Sky project will stay at the Giralda Plaza for the next 2 months, bringing local color to the Gables. Reporting for CCNN Live, I'm Tommy Pozo.